Happy Easter!
Easter Day.
Remember, do your baskets first.
Whoa.
Which one is mine?
Well, I'm guessing Cubie's is blue.
Here's the blue one. Maybe something special.
Somebody gets pink. Yours is pink. And Zoe, come here. You got purple.
No, this one's mine.
Yours is right there, Zoe.
Mine. It's a chocolate.
Go sit in the back.
Eat that chocolate.
Here, guys.
Puppy?
Let's turn around, Lily.
You got a puppy?
Oh, apparently she's eating it.
I didn't know she could open it.
Me neither.
Hi, so.
Oh, what'd you get, Zoe? Let's see. What's that? A chocolate
Eat
bunny.
my chocolate.
What's
okay?
this?
I know. Mine.
That's a little chocolate bunny.
Happy.
A puppy. Look what the puppy has. Bunny ears.
Yeah.
What's that?
Hi.
A cup. It's a Zoe cup.
Yellow or purple.
Oh, what else is in here?
Mine.
Oops.
It doesn't matter.
Oh,
Mine.
oh, what are those?
Hello.
Look at the hair.
Mine. My daddy.
Those are hair pretties with butterflies.
Lily, did you get a doggy?
Look what kind of stickers I got.
What is that story?
I don't know.
Where the wild things are.
What the wild thing are.
Daddy's favorite book, huh?
Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Hello, Kitty. You're right.
Pretty. You gonna open it? It's a bracelet.
Yeah.
Ruby, what's that book with a lion on it? What is that? What's that? What kind of book?
Benny.
You don't have to open it, Mommy.
Benny, Mommy.
You got a chocolate bunny?
That's the bunny.
Oh, Cubie, this is cool.
Benny.
Oh, it's a book you can
Benny.
color pictures in. And make like a cup. Like
And make your letters?
And make your practice making your letters. I feel
That's
alive.
pretty cool.
Ah.
Oh, a car for your trap?
Yeah.
What's that?
Mom.
Oh.
Wow. And I have a worker truck.
Oh, cool. Is that for your toy that Grandma and Grandpa gave you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Let's see it, Q. I didn't see it.
Wow.
Where are you?
Benny.
Lily keeps blocking my view. I can't see you.
Benny.
Are you a chocolate bunny?
Oh,
that's a
it's one
chocolate
of those. Nice.
Do you want to eat one?
Very
Okay, put them in
cool.
there so they don't melt. And we'll leave one out.
Lily, what did you get?
Chocolate bunny.
You're
That's the
still
only
eating
thing
your
she's
chocolate
opened.
bunny, huh? I love you guys. Happy Easter.
I want this bunny.
Hey, everybody, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Bunny, my bunny.
Okay, I love you. Oh, you're eating chocolate now too? Okay.
Open my Easter bunny.
What do you say?
Happy Easter.
Bye-bye.